welcome to A Shot of Joe, the place where you come to get enlightened and get empowered. Please subscribe to my channel right there. Click that little red button and you'll get updates and know when I'm posting videos. I generally try to post one every week, help you move forward in a positive way, especially now as we go through this higher vibration of energy and get ready to move into the new year of 2022. So what I want to focus on in this video is really preparing for 2022 and making that a great year. This is really, of course, we always want to make every year a great year. This year is no different. We want to make sure we do that as well. So let's look at what this year is going to represent, what we can expect, and how do we get ready to really make it a great year for ourselves. And I don't just mean in the physical world, I mean within ourselves to elevate to a higher level. So this is going to be a year to elevate and expand faster than ever before. The reason that that's happening is because the energy of the world is going up. More and more people are waking up, and that is elevating the vibration of the world. So as that's happening, that's giving us the opportunity to kind of jump on that train and move faster. So what I'm seeing with myself and clients are things that were taking longer to get through. Now they're moving through very quickly because the vibration is supporting this higher energy and this frequency of elevation. It's really being supported as we go out there into the world. So you want to focus now on what is it that I want to create in 2022? But really what I always think about is how do I want to feel every day when I get up? So I want you to write that down somewhere and say, what is the feeling that I want to have when I wake up in the morning? For me, I always want to be peaceful. I say I want to be peaceful because to me, if you're peaceful, everything is good, right? That means your life is in good shape. Everything's going well. You don't have any issues. And we always have problems and things come up, but that's the goal. And that's the direction I want to go in. You also want to focus on making sure you're connected to your life's path. Are you doing things and moving in the direction that you want to go in? You may not be in the perfect situation or the perfect job or whatever it is, but are you doing things to move yourself in that direction? That's going to be really important. That authenticity and alignment is going to be a critical element of this year. So if you're doing things, you're in a bad relationship, you're having issues with people, maybe in a job you don't like, you're living in a place you don't like, any of those things will really disrupt your energy field as you go forward. The other thing we're seeing, and we've already been seeing this all year, is separation. Now, part of the separation that we always have is manipulation. We have this through government and people in power. They want to separate people because it's easier to control people who are separated and weak. This, of course, happens on many levels. We have it in gender. We have it in race. We have it in social status. We have it in religion. All these different things are designed to separate us from each other and take us away from the truth, which is we are really one energy. The more we get away from that, the weaker we become. So for those of us that want to elevate, we want to band together with people who are moving in that direction. Now, as a natural part of this progression, you're going to go through separation, which we're seeing already. You know, I can't tell you how many people talked to me about the holidays and said things like, I couldn't see my family because they didn't want to see me. They were afraid of COVID and they were afraid that, you know, I was going to get them sick and we couldn't go see this one, or people didn't allow us to come because we didn't have a vaccine. All this is separation, right? So the bottom line is this: you have to stick to what works for you and what feels best for yourself. Me personally, I did not get a vaccination. I do not think it's something I want to do. I don't believe in it. That is my personal belief. I feel that is my right to say, I don't want to do that, right? So that is my right to do that. I don't want to be forced into something. The more they force me, the more I get nervous, the more I think something is not right. So look at yourself. That's just one issue. So we've got a lot of different things going on right now. So the key is stay true to yourself, but you're going to see a lot of separation from people who will not accept you in your truth, not just for this one issue of COVID, but for everything in your life. You may want to do things that people don't agree with. Your family may not agree with you. Whatever the case may be, it's going to be important for you to hold that space and take that path forward, because that's the path your soul wants you to take. So that's really where you want to focus as you go forward. You will experience what I've been calling all year, organic separation, where people will fall out of your life. This is happening by design. It is not a mistake. People are designed, they're meant to fall out of your life. They're not meant to be in your life if they cannot accept you for who you are. You want to be around people who accept you, who love you for who you are. So if they don't believe in what you believe, there's a lot of people that I'm friends with that we believe in different things, but we accept each other. If you can't accept my beliefs and you do not honor me, I cannot be around you. You're gonna impact my energy in a negative way. So this is going to be the key for you this year. Focus on what you desire, right? Focus on how you want to feel. Focus on bringing people into your life that are supporting you and nurturing you and making you feel good. And there may be a time period where you're going to be lonely because you're in between letting go of the old and moving into the new. You've got to let go of anything in your life that is disruptive and is not moving you forward. You may not be able to do it all in 1 second, but be moving in that direction, because as we get into 2022 and this energy continues to elevate, you're going to realize that it has to be done if you really want to move forward. And if you don't, you're going to get stuck in that lower vibration. So 2022, 222 is the number. When you see a 222, it's about opportunity, changes, manifestation. That's what the 222 is. And the 222 equals the number 6. So it's kind of a double this year. We have two different things going on because we've got that 222 and the 6. The 6, of course, people make a joke. They call it the devil number and all that, but that's not really true. The 6, of course, all things in the physical world here have the yin yang energy, right? The positive, negative. So the bottom line is the 6 is two different things. On the positive side, it's love, it's connection. It's really connected with people who are similar to you. It's being in that nurturing state of love, because the 6, what it looks like, of course, is a pregnant woman when you think about it, right? That's what the 6 looks like. The negative side of the 6 is being too materialistic, focusing on personal gain, not worrying about your fellow man and your fellow people that are around you. That's the negative side. Selfishness, ego, narcissism, all that stuff is part of the 6 energy. So we want to get away from that energy, focus on the loving, nurturing energy that we want to use going forward to elevate ourselves. So make this a great year for yourself, elevate your energy and expand. I'm going to be doing a webinar on January 8th, which will be, you can get that at spiritualsaturdays.com. So it's spiritualsaturdays.com. I'm going to talk about mastering your energy field, which is going to be a key to elevating yourself here in 2022. So have a happy new year. I look forward to seeing you on the other side.